How to use pivots in your trading to identify areas of supply and demand. Firstly, a pivot is simply when the high or low of a bar sticks out from the other bars around it. If the pivot is a pivot high, meaning if the highs of other bars around it are lower, then we know there's supply around this pivot. If the pivot is a pivot low, meaning if the lows of other bars around it are higher, then we know there is demand around this pivot. So, a high of a bar is a pivot high if the bar to the left and right of it have a lower high than the high of the pivot high. And a low of a bar is a pivot low if the bar to the left and right of it have a higher low than the low of the pivot low. The more bars on either side with a higher low for pivot lows or lower highs for pivot highs, the stronger the demand or supply is.